Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Ford Mustang. The 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse represents the next chapter in Mustang's legendary performance lineage. Designed for enthusiasts who demand the perfect fusion of power, precision, and style, the Dark Horse embodies the spirit of innovation and raw energy. With cutting-edge features, unparalleled performance, and a striking design, this iteration is bound to leave an indelible mark on automotive history. Ford has introduced several enhancements for the 2026 Mustang Dark Horse, making it more refined and powerful than ever. Revamped aerodynamics. Redesigned front fascia and rear wing for improved airflow and downforce. Upgraded tech features. A new infotainment system with enhanced connectivity and performance-focused driver aids. Lightweight materials. Increased use of carbon fiber and aluminum to boost agility. Performance-tuned suspension. Revised for sharper handling and cornering precision. The 2026 Mustang Dark Horse combines sporty aesthetics with premium comfort. Driver-focused cockpit. A digital cluster with a customizable display, integrating track-focused metrics and real-time performance data. Premium upholstery. Alcantara and leather seats with Dark Horse-specific stitching and color accents. Ambient lighting. Customizable ambient lighting to match your mood or driving experience. Advanced infotainment. A 13.2-inch touchscreen powered by the latest technology, offering seamless smartphone integration and over-the-air updates. Track-ready features. Optional Recaro performance seats and a flat-bottomed steering wheel for a race-inspired feel. The heart of the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse lies under its hood, delivering adrenaline-pumping performance. 5.0 LV8 engine. Tuned to produce over 500 horsepower, the Coyote V8 continues to set the standard for naturally aspirated engines. Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. For purists, offering precision shifts and unmatched engagement. 10-speed automatic option. Featuring adaptive shifting for optimized performance. Track-ready cooling system. Enhanced cooling for sustained high-performance driving. Performance upgrades. Includes a sport-tuned exhaust, Brembo brakes, and an available carbon fiber driveshaft. Ford has announced that the 2026 Mustang Dark Horse will hit showrooms in spring 2026. Pricing will start at $61,000, with fully loaded models approaching $75,000. Limited edition variants and performance packages will also be available for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a bespoke driving experience. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.